Hello everyone. Now in t-test we are going to start our last method, and this is testing significance of observed correlation coefficient. Okay. See, suppose for a sample of n tests run from a bivariate normal population, the observed correlation coefficient is R. If we want to test the hypothesis that there is no correlation in the population, we can use t-test in the following way. Okay, see, this is called rho. Rho equal to 0 means population correlation coefficient is 0. That means there is no relation, there is no correlation in population. Okay, and alternate hypothesis is rho does not equals to 0. T calculated value can be find out by using t equal to r under root of n minus 2 upon under root of 1 minus r square, and degree of freedom is n minus 2 because of in correlation there are two samples respectively x and y. Okay, then we have to find table value and compare both t calculated and table value. Okay, so let us start our sums. See, this is our first sum. Bivariate sample of 27 pairs gave r equal to 0.5, r equal to 0.5 and n equal to 27. Is there a significant correlation in population? Okay, in solution we are starting with H0. Null hypothesis, there is no significant correlation in population, or rho is equals to 0. And alternate hypothesis H1, rho does not equals to 0. Okay, now find out t calculated value. T calculated value is equals to, the formula finding t call is r into under root of n minus 2 divided by under root of 1 minus r square. Okay, substitute the values of n and r. It is equals to r is given by 0.5 into under root of 27 minus 2 divided by 1 minus r square, under root of 1 minus r, 0.5 square is 0.25. Okay, चलो तो अगर सॉल्व करिए तो 0.5 multiplied by 27 minus 2 is equals to 25, and under root of 25 is 5. Okay, divided by 1 minus 0.27, 0.73, and under root is 0.85. Okay. Okay, see here I am putting 0.27. Actually here we have to put 0.25, and 1 minus 0.25 and 1 minus 0.25 becomes 0.75, and its under root is 0.87. 0.87. Okay, now 0.5 into 5 divided by 0.5 multiplied by 5, 2.5 divided by 0.87. It gives us 2.87. 2.87 is t calculated value. Okay, now find out degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is equals to n minus 2. It is equals to 25 minus 2 and 27 minus 2, 27 minus 2, and it is equals to 25. Okay, now see table value. Therefore t table value is equals to, t tab for 25 it is equals to see for 25 at 5% level it is 2.060 2.06 आपने लिखे 2.06, and compare both the values. Here t calculated value is greater than t table value. Therefore H0 may be rejected. Therefore, rho does not equals to 0. Okay. Second sum is a sample correlation coefficient obtained from 25 pairs is 0.32. Test the hypothesis that population correlation coefficient is 0. Okay, so first of all, here n is given by 27 and r is given by 0.30. Okay, first of all, prepare our hypothesis H0. There is no significant correlation in population, means rho equal to 0, and H1 alternate hypothesis is rho does not equals to 0. Okay, now find out value of t. T calculated value is equals to formula is r into under root of 1 n minus 2 upon under root of 1 minus r square. Okay, now substitute the values. R is given by 0.32 into under root of n minus 2, again 27 minus 2 is 25, divided by square root of 1 minus r square. 0.32 square is 0.1024. Okay, now it is equals to 0.32 multiplied by 25 left. See, in under root 25 left and under root of 25 is 5, divided by 1 minus okay, I am subtracting 1 from 0.8976 left and taking under root of this number, and we will get 9474. 0.9474. Okay, now find out final answer of t calculated value 0.35 multiplied by 5 divided by 0.9474. Okay, and we'll get 1.85. Answer is 1.85. Okay, now find degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is equals to n minus 2, and again it is equals to 27 minus 2 equal to 25, and t calculated value is t table value is equals to, see the table value, again it is 2.06. okay, 2.06. Therefore here we can say that t calculated value, t calculated value is less than t table value. Therefore H0 may be accepted. Therefore we can say that population correlation is equals to 0. Okay, so student, here we complete our t test, and I hope कि આ method पर તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે. Goodbye everyone.